Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I have the ultimate little tool for home organization. This is the Phomemo D30. This is a super easy to use portable label maker that works with your phone via Bluetooth. Despite its very small size and the fact that it weighs nothing, this is a very efficient label printer. It charges via a USB cable. You open up this front door and you put your label tape inside. It's very easy to do so. You'll go ahead and download the very user-friendly app, and it basically walks you through it. There's a couple of different ways that you can print labels. You choose your label size and whether or not it is cut labels or they're continuous. And then you're ready to start making labels. So I thought the ultimate way to test this out was to make labels for all of my spice jars. And this actually had pre-made labels for common words, such as all of these spices that I did. And then I was also able to type the ones that weren't pre-made. You can also use the creative mode to make really cool little labels that have more than just text on them. You can add little graphics, you can add borders, you can even add pictures from your photos and make barcodes, QR codes, timestamps. There's so many options and it's very, very simple to use. So this one came with a roll of the white labels. You can also order compatible labels that have colors on them or different prints. So you can really customize the types of labels that you make with this little machine. These labels also have a high quality adhesive. They stuck really, really well, even to spice jar caps, which can sometimes not stick very well. This really held on tightly and does not feel like it's going anywhere. So if you're looking for a way to organize your home by adding some custom labels, I would definitely recommend the Phomemo D30. It is very simple to use, super effective, highly portable, and that's my point of view.